Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is mathematics. So students, are you all ready for the watching online lecture? So let's start with the quote, and here is the quote that you can't live a positive life with a negative mind. So students, always keep your mind positive, not a negative, so you will be live your life positive. Now students, let's move to the today's topic, which is adding three two-digit numbers with regrouping. You all know this is the previous topic, but here we are going to revise this topic first and then we will move to the today's topic. We are doing revision right now because the exams will come and the revision is necessary. So students, let's start the topic, which is adding three two-digit numbers with regrouping. So are you all ready to watch this? So students, as I always give you examples of every topic, here I am also giving you examples of this topic. Now always, I told you before that always start adding numbers with the right side and with the ones column. You can see here, this is the ones column. If there are mentions, columns name is not mentions, so you have to understood that which is the column of ones or tens. Here you can see always the right column is a ones column, which is the last one is the ones column. Now here students, 5 plus 8 plus 4. So we have to add these three numbers together at the ones column, and the total is 17. In this 17 number, we have to write down the last digit of this number, which is 7. So I write number 7 here and put one number as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now the ones column is complete. Let's move to the tens column. Here this number 1, which is the carry forwarded number, we have to add in the tens column. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. So the total of tens column is 8. Now here is our answer, 87. So this way we can add the numbers. Now let's move to the next example. Here is the ones column is 3 plus 9 plus 6. So the total of this column is 18. Now from this 18 number, the last digit is the ones place is 8. So we can write down number 8 at the ones column and 1 will move at the tens column. So here you can see 1, 8, 18. Now let's move to the tens column. Here is 1 plus 1 plus 5 and plus 2. This 4 digit we have to add together at the tens column, and the total is 9. So here our answer is 98. Now the next one, the ones column is 8 plus 8 plus 9. So here our answer is 25. So in this 25, number 5 is at the ones place, so we can write this 5 number under the ones column, and number 2 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Here is 25. Now let's add the tens column. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. These 4 numbers we have to add together at the tens column, and the answer is 8. So students, our final answer is 85. This way we can add these types of sum. Next one, ones column is 7 plus 9 plus 8. So the total of this column is 24. Now we can write number 4 under the ones column because the number 4 is at the ones place, and 2 number will move at the tens column because 2 is at the tens place. We can move this number as a carry forwarded number. Now let's move to the tens column. Here 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. These 4 digits we have to add together at the tens column. Now the answer is, the tens column is 9 and the final answer is 94. So this way we can add the numbers, and you have to add these types of numbers into your notebook. Now the next example is, the ones column is 6 plus 2 plus 4 at the ones column. Now the answer is 12. So we can write number 2 under the ones column, and the 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now you can see here I put number 1 as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now we can add these 4 numbers together, which is 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. We have to add these 4 numbers together, and the answer is 9. So our final answer is 92. Hope you understood this. So let's do the worksheet, short revision of the worksheet also. So are you all ready for? Now open your book and writing with me, and let's start now. So this worksheet we had done in the previous lecture also. Hope there is no doubt regarding this, but let's see the short recap of this worksheet also, and then we will move to the next topic. Here is 25 plus 32 and 29. In this, the ones column is 5 plus 2 plus 9, and the answer is 16, the ones column, and the 1 will move at the tens column as a carry forwarded number. Now students, the tens column, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So the total of the tens column is 8. So here is our answer, 86. The next one, 35, 23 and 27. The ones column is 5 plus 3 plus 7. So the answer is 15, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now let's add the tens column, which is 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. So here is our answer, 8, and the final answer is 85. Let's move to the next sum. Here is 6 plus 42 plus 33. In this, the ones column is 6 plus 2 plus 6. So the answer is 11, and another one will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now students, let's add the tens column now, which is 1 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 8. So here is our answer, 81. Now let's move to the next sum, which is 21, 13 and 16. In this, the ones column is 1 plus 3 plus 6. So the answer of the ones column is 10. So we can put 0, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now let's move to the tens column. Here 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, and the answer is 5. So here is our final answer, 50. Let's move to the next one. Here is 3 plus 32 plus 49. In this, the ones column is 3 plus 2 plus 9. So the answer is 14, and let's put one number as a carry forwarded number, and let's add the tens column now, which is 1 plus 3 plus 4, and the answer is 8. So the final answer is 84. Now the next one, which is 27, 23 and 43. In this, the ones column is 7, 3, 3. So the answer 13 will come of the ones column. Let's move to the 1 at the carry forwarded number at the tens column. Let's add the tens column now. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, and the total of the tens column is 9. So here is our answer, 93. Now let's move to the next, which is 51, 10 and 29. In this, the ones column is 1 plus 0 plus 9. So the total of the ones column is 10. So here we can put 0 and put number 1 as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now let's see the tens column, which is 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. So the total of the tens column is 9. So our final answer is 90. Let's move to the next sum and also a last 43 plus 26 and 8. In this the ones column is 3 plus 6 plus 8. Now the total is the ones column is 17. So we can write 17 this way, 7 at the ones column and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now let's add the tens column, which is 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0, and the total of the tens column is 7. So here is our answer 77. Hope there is no doubt in this topic. So students, our today's topic is check your addition. The revision of this we are going to do in this topic today. Check your addition. So how we can check our addition is right or wrong? Let's see this. We can check our addition with the two ways. First adding down and then adding up. We also learn this topic in the chapter number 3 also. But here let's do the revision of this topic first. So students, here is one example for you. So let's add down first. So let's add down. You can see through this arrow that we are adding down first. Now here is the question is 28 plus 35. So students, let's see the ones column first. Here is 8 plus 5. So students, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So let's write number 3 first, and the 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. You can see here. Now students, let's move to the tens column, which is 2 plus 3 and plus 1, which is the carry forwarded number. So the answer of the tens column is 6. So our answer is 63. Now let's check if our answer is wrong or right. So let's adding up. Okay students, now let's take number 5 first in the ones column. 5 plus 8 is equal to also a 13. So we can put number 3 here and 1 as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. You can see here I write number 3 here. Now students, at the tens column let's add this 1, which is carry forwarded number, then 3 and then 2. So the answer of the tens column is 6. So you can see this, both the answer is same 63 and here is also a 63. So our sum is right, our answer is right. Let's see some more examples so you will be better understood this topic students. Now here is next one. So students, here the question is 37 plus 26. In this the ones column is 7 plus 6. So students, what is the total of this? 13. So we can put number 3 under the ones column and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now students, let's move to the tens column, which is 3 plus 2 plus 1. So here our answer is 63. Now let's move to the next one, which is 37. Here 37 plus 26. Let's adding up in the second step students. So here we take 6 number first. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So I write number 3 at the ones column. Then put one number as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now students, let's add the tens column, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So you can see here our answer is the same 63 and here is also a 63. There is no difference will come in the answer. So then and only then your answer will be right. Now let's move to the next, which is 52 plus 47. Let's adding down first in this. So 2 plus 7 at the one column. So the answer is 9. So I write number 9. You also have to write down the sums with me, students, so you will be better understood this. Now the tens column here, which is 5 plus 4. So the answer of this column is 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Now let's add up for checking our addition. This is right or wrong. Let's take 7 number first here. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now the tens column. Let's take 4 number first. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So here the answer is same. You can see here. Here is also a 99 number and here is also a 99 number as an answer. So the difference will not come. So this our sum is right. The next one, I have so many examples for you, so you will be better understood this, students. Here is a 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. In this, let's see. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 and 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So here our sum is 99 and there is no difference will come. The next one, here is 38 and 51. Let's add down first. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then the tens column, which is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So here our answer is 89. So here we want the answer 89 if our sum is right. Now 1 plus 8, here we are adding up. You can see through this arrow. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. And then the tens column, here 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So you can check at the both the sides, downside is 89 and upside is also 89 answer will come. So students, this our answer is right. Then the next example, which is 24 plus 12. You also have to write down with me into your notebook, students. The ones column is 4 plus 2 and the answer is 6. Now the next one, which is at the tens column, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here our answer is 36. Now let's check the 36 answer will come or not. In the adding up side, here is 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now at the tens column is 1 plus 2. So students, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So here our answer is the same. You can see this 36 and also a 36 at both the sides. So here our answer is right. Now I have one more example for you, and here the question is 44 plus 34. I repeat this, 44 plus 34. In this, the ones column is 4 plus 4. So the answer of this column is 8. So we can write down number 8 as the answer here. Now students, the tens column is 4 plus 3. So the total of 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So after adding down, the answer 78 is come. Now let's add up. So what answer will come? Let's check. Here is 4 plus 4. So the answer is 8. And at the tens column, 3 plus 4. So the answer 7 will come. So you can see here the same answers will come at both the sides, which is 78 and also a 78. So this our answer is right. Next example, which is 32 plus 52. I repeat this, 32 plus 52. In this, the ones column is 2 plus 2. So in this, the answer is 4. So we can write down number 4 as the answer. Now let's move to the tens column, which is 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So I write number 8 here. Now the answer is 84. Let's add up and check our answer. It is right or wrong. 2 plus 2. So students, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So here is our answer, 4 at the ones column. Now let's move to the tens column, which is 5 plus 3. We take 5 number first because we are adding up. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So you can check at both the sides, downside and upside, the answer 84 and this answers is the same. So our addition is right, and hope you understood this concept and there is no doubt regarding this. I hope you all solve these sums by yourself without taking anybody's help, and this is very easy, students. Next one, which is 55 plus 32. I repeat this, 55 plus 32. Now students, at the ones column is 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So I write number 7 there. Let's move to the tens column, which is 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So here is our answer, 87. Now let's add up for checking our addition. So here let's take 2 number first, which is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So I write number 7 at the ones column. Now let's move to the tens column, which is 3 plus 5. You can see here 3 plus 5. We take 3 number first. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So you can check the answer is the same at both the sides, which is 87 and also 87. Downside also and upside also. The same answers will come. Then and only then your sum will write. The next one, which is 64 plus 33. I repeat this, 64 plus 33. In this, the ones column is 4 plus 3. So students, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So I write number 7 at the ones column. Then let's move to the tens column, which is 6 plus 3. So students, at the tens column, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So here is our answer, 97 come. Now let's check by adding upside, and the ones column is 3 and 4. So let's take 3 number first. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So I write number 7 there. And let's move to the tens column. Here you can see 3 plus 6. Just keep this in your mind. We take 3 number first. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So you can check our answer is the same at both the sides. Downside also a 97 number, and at the upside is also our answer is 97. So you can see the both the sides is the same answer is come. Now next one, which is 58 plus 11. I repeat this, 58 plus 11. Now students, the ones column is 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So I write number 9 here, and then the tens column 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So I write number 6 there, and the answer is 69. Now students, let's add up to check our addition. So we take 1 number first at the ones column. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So I write number 9 at the ones column. Now let's move to the tens column, which is 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So our answer is the same 8. Both the sides, downside also and upside also. So you can see our sum is right, and 69 answer is also alright. Now students, next one, 44 plus 23. So in the ones column, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So I write number 7 at the ones column. Then at the tens column, 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So I write number 6 there, and answer is 67. Now students, let's checking this answer with adding up. Now students, here is 3 plus 4, which is the ones column. So we take 3 number first. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So I write number 7 at the ones column. Now let's move to the tens column, which is 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So you can see our answer is right because we get the same answer at both the sides, upside and downside also. Now the next one, 84 plus 10. Here is our example, 84 plus 10. So the ones column is 4 plus 0. So we write number 4 because you add any digit in the 0, so answer will come the digit itself. Now let's move to the tens column, which is 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So here we get the answer 94. Let's check this answer by adding upside. Now students, here is 0 plus 4 at the ones column. So if you add any number into the 0, so answer will come by itself only. So 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. So I write number 4 as the answer at the ones column. Now let's move to the tens column, which is 1 plus 8. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So you can check our answer is the same at both the sides. Downside is 94 and at the upside is also a 94. So you can see our answer is the same. We are not getting different answer. So our addition sum is right. Now the next one, which is 43 plus 25. In this the ones column is 3 and 5. So the total of this column is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now let's move to the tens column, which is 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So here we are get the answer 68. So in this, let's check the addition. Our answer is right or wrong by adding up. So let's adding up with the ones column. Here is 3 and 5, but we take 5 number first. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So I write number 8 here, and let's move to the tens column. Here is the tens column 2 and 4, but we take 2 number first. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. You can check this, we get the same answer at both the sides. So our addition is right. Now students, check subtraction with addition. We also learned this topic in the previous chapter, which is chapter number 3. So students, you already know that how we can check this subtraction with the help of addition. Let's see the short 1 or 2 example of this topic, and then we will move in detail in this topic in the next lecture. But here we take 1 or 2 example of this topic. Let's see this. Now here is 91 minus 50. So in this, the step 1 is take away. We are subtracting the sum first. So here 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Because 0 means nothing, so we can't take away anything from 1. So I write number 1 as it is. Now let's move to the tens column, which is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So here we take away the numbers 50 from the 91. Now let's see the step 2, put back. We have to put back the answer. So let's check the sum. So here is, you can see I just write down this answer 41 here. You can see through this arrow, I write down this answer 41 here and add 50 number into this answer. We put back this answer and add into this 50 number. So we get the 91 number. If we are getting 91 number as the answer, so our subtraction sum is right. Now students, let's add this number with the ones column. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. You can see this. Now let's move to the tens column, which is the 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Now you can check this. We get the same answer here 91, and here is also a 91. If the answer of the subtraction we add in this number, which is 50, so we get the same answer as this. So our subtraction is right. We can check through the addition. So this way we can check the sum, students? Now students, we will move in this topic in detail in the next lecture. So please do homework, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet with this topic with so many examples in the next lecture. So bye bye students, enjoy.